Your first online business contents introduction. Chapter 1 Affiliate Marketing 3. Chapter 2 YouTube 7. Chapter 3 Blogging Chapter 4 Fiverr Fiverr Chapter 4, Selling Physically Product Online 19. Conclusion 24. Introduction. Are you looking for a way to make money but don't want to go out to another job? Would like to learn how to increase your income by working online? Strategy from the comfort home possible without even getting out of the physiognomy. If you answered it to either, both those questions, you are in the right place. You probably already know that there are many ways to obtain what you want financially because others have found them profit and them tenth much already. You just need a little direction in your search. You need someone to tell you what options are available to you and how to get started with them, and that are where that book is coming. In it, you will learn the different techniques to make money online, some of which of content several options within them. A few of them may take a while or learn and perfect, but other you can start using today. Potentially earning you make income by the time the clock state midnight today. What you about learn in the page and character and the different technique to make money with nothing more than an internet connection and will get out your current financial situation. While this list is certainly not all inclusive, it will give you idea for the most popular internet-based way of making money available to you today. In the end, it is up to you how to profitable you are with this suggestion. You can make nothing or you make $1 million. Your ability to succeed is the based on your ingenuity, creativity, ability to reach your target market, and unbearing presence, perseverance. As long as you continue to learn from your mistake, perfect your step, and choose to do the best you can, then you will win the end. Chapter 1 Affiliate Marketing. The first and first most well known only money making strategy is called affiliate marketing. It is most important method of making money online because you can combine it with almost any of other method that in the book. Affiliate marketing involves selling other people product or service on your website, social media page, YouTube account and another internet based page, thereby in earning a commission on each sale. Of course, the money making option require that you have or create an internet site or page create to same market as the merchant of advertise that you want to highlight. You should also have enough visitors. But once you have that, you could make some serious cash. How to get started? If the idea of affiliate marketing interesting you, here is a quick step-by-step guide to getting your started. Step 1. 1. Selected the category we wish to promote. This is a pretty easy to do. Easy, you already have an existing site or page, as it is going to be one that relevant to your subject or topic. For instance, if you currently want the operator website that is somehow related to money or financial issue, you could increase your income base as affiliate marketing, in which you would be called to publisher by promoting and selling product and program related to the the topic. Like the program sold by Dave Ramesh, creator, a financial speech, university or Jim Carrey, host of Mad Money. However, if you don't have a page or site set up currently, what type of product or service are interested in? What is something that you are knowledgeable about? You can discuss intelligent with your reader. Select a category that you love or could add value, and rest of the process will be much easy for you. Step 2. Step number 2. Set up a site or web page if you don't currently have one. If you don't already have a website or page set up, now is the time to do it. Some options to consider include developing a price comparison site, crafting a review site, or making a discounts or a product that people commonly buy online as each one has the ability to attract consumer looking for specific item. Also, site like their survey or functional purchase for this consumer, whether it is to help them save money, figure out which product are higher qualities, both are while putting or more money in your pocket at the same time. Step number 3, decide what product or service you want to promote. If you don't believe in the product or service that you are an affiliate for, how can you expect your reader to be? Think of your item that you have no problem recommending to your closest family and friends, and your passion for them will shine in through yearly, getting you really as excited about them as you. Step number 4, pick which affiliate marketing site you would like to use. The set up an account. If you're a new affiliate marketing, you may want to check out sites such as ClickBank, Amazon affiliate program, ejunkpaid.com, which pay commission value pay PayPal, and CG affiliate by conversion formal on commission junction. Each of these can direct you to merchant based suited you to make most money from your affiliate marketing affiliate program. You will want to pay close attention to how each one the considered to impact it could have on your potential profit. For instant ClickBank lets you earn 75% of the product price and pay dot com or the commission up to 80%, but you may actually make more money. Amazon affiliate, even though they give you lower percentage, 6 15% depending on which program you choose. There are no biggest online shopping retail worldwide. If you already have a successful blog or website that draw a lot of traffic, you may even get paid by the business for simply promoting their brand or name on your site. Such as with Google AdSense, options like this are often set up pay or click, where are you reimbursed the certain create every person that click on the affiliate link that you have displayed somewhere on your site. Step number 5, how to select an affiliate program to promote. I will review the process on ClickBank because it is website I recommend you to start with. First and most important is the commission you will get off for each sale. Aim at 60% plus commission for digital product. On average, most digital product on ClickBank sell between $35 minus $85. Applying these rules, you will be making at least $21 per sale. If you promote physically product, don't stick with a specific percentage, but make sure you will earn at least $50 per sale. Each physically product tend to sell 100 than digital ones. Next, make sure that your product has high gravity. This means that a lot of people have made affiliate sales in the past week, which basically means that the product is in the high demand. However, this will also mean that you have to lot of competitor to your sell the product. So my recommendation is to aim at product that have average gravity but also have a great sales page. Make sure they have a length sales page and compare them with the competitive product so you can see if the will cooperate well. Step number 6. Create a link to the specific product that you like to promote and earn commission from the attach it to your site. Once you have selected an affiliate program you want to promote should get in affiliate link. It is important that you just paste it on your website, blog or channel. If you place it on our website or blog, I recommend it adding to the link to the name of the program or something that represent it instead of just pasting the link, which will be very unprofessional and also every will know that is an affiliate link. If you are using YouTube to promote to the product, you can use link shorter like this one by Google. This way your link will be much or more professional. Step number 7. Market your link. Now that your site is set up and ready to earn you some money, you must marketing affiliate product as the where you may vary. Get your reader then follow interesting in the item, program or service. You have chosen so the or billion to click on them and most importantly buy them. Not only wanted to program, promote this thing as a basic site, but don't be afraid to the post about them with the link in group of forms that you relevant to your target market to. The more exposure you can get, the higher your chance of making sales and money. Potential. So how much money you can make as an affiliate marketing? According to a poll conducted by FinCell, the majority of affiliate just under 90% earn $20 for less annual. Don't let that discourage you though. Almost 6% of the respondents reported that then you over $2 million are very year selling other people product service and brand. That's worth it, right? Therefore, it is largely up to you how far will go and how much you started to make this particular online money making option. Obviously, the more traffic you can draw to your page and more than time put into promote yourself and the affiliate that you chosen to the business with, the more successful you will be. If you want to increase your earning potential, it may benefit you to join in the affiliate marketing forms like Digital Point. Various forms of are a best way. Forms such as allow you to interest with other affiliate marketing who can provide you with the tips and tricks you need to help you succeed, thereby allowing you to earn higher income at a faster rate than if you try to figure out affiliate marketing all on your own. Chapter 2. YouTube. YouTube is the most popular video sharing website in the world. So I guess you familiar with it to some extent. You can make money on it by creating your own channel and promoting either your one or the business service and product, or you can participate in the YouTube partner program. How to get started? YouTube is much like other any social media site as far as setup goes, but here are the setup you need to create a video channel worth is 100,000 or even million of viewers daily. Step number 1, create your YouTube channel. Google has easy to follow in a depth instruction that will help you make the process of creating your one YouTube channel fairly simply. But first you need to decide whether you want to set up your one the name of business if you have one. Think of what you want to your brand and choose the one that make the most sense for you. Also, another important factor to consider when creating your YouTube content is that you want to select keyword that your target market will likely use when the search of your product and service that you are selling, so that you are more likely to show up the result list. For instance, if your video are about personal development, some good keyword include raising self system, feeling better about yourself, how to be self confident, and development a self improvement attitude. Once you get a logistic out of the way, you need to create an attractive YouTube channel. To do this, be sure to pick the right theme in color scheme for your topic area, and be sure to upload a picture that is representative of your brand so that your review and can start to connect with you. You must also select a video for your future video on your YouTube channel. So make sure is to of your best. Keep in mind that it may be what get your target market to sign up for your post for leave channel. So it need to be that is authentic of what you do live. Fill in the title, description using content that represent what you have to offer in fun and interesting way. Any field you want to fill in the should be removed so they don't clutter of their page. But be sure to leave the comment option intact on this. Encourage your followers to connect with you. They'll be raising your interaction and your sales. Step number 2, post video. Once your YouTube channel is created, they you are ready to post your video to it. What type of video do best? Well, it dependent on what you're typing or accomplish with them. Generally, shorter, high quality videos seem to get most view. Therefore, it may be worth it to invest the good equipment and engage with the help to friends so that they not trying to everything solve. One the best hand if you're demonstrating something or making how to go it may need to be longer in length in order to cover complete message. You want to get all of necessary information in without taking fastest speaking overthink in effort to reduce your time. To decide which work best of need link what your target market would like to see add your video with those thought in mind. If you don't know, ask them add and let them tell you what you direct next. Step number 3, build your audience. As was mentioned in the step 1, select a good keyword for your content help drive traffic to your channel. So keep that mind when you're trying to get selected group of individual. You Google Keyword Planner to search for keyword based on your channel needs. Make a list of the higher searched keyword. You should come up with about 20 or list the keyword pairs along with number of mostly monthly research there are search keyword. Next, visit YouTube and make sure that you log out. We are going to be using the search function. Get the list that you just made. You type the first three four letter of the keyword for phrases. YouTube will start listing suggestion as you type. This is no coincidence Coincident, there is keyword that your user using to search for video. You want to match this suggestion to the keyword in your list. There are your target audience keyword, and just as you should regularly post with other forms of social media, the same apply with YouTube. This will get more and more people to subscribe to your channel since they know that you will be uploading content consistently, making it easy to create a following. Step number 4, cross promote your video. Share your video on the forms of social media such as Facebook and Twitter to lead your followers and connection back to your YouTube site. Encourage them to subscribe to your channel so they can easily see what you are going to do next. If you don't tell them to, they might not even think of it that they're one. Get them excited about your have to offer and make them want to be a part of. You can also start a website and or blog and promote your video there. I recommended that you use WordPress for your purpose because it is free and very easy to set up. However, I recommend that you invest $10 in buying a domain name and also buy a hosting for your website. You can use hoster.com since they have already good price. Free hosting in your worth name never used because it will flood your website with random advertisement and it will look extremely unprofessional in the eyes of your audience. Step number 5, set your audio account to monetize with your AdSense. You can take the step either right when you are uploading your video for after it is already live. All the first option with recommendations so that you don't miss out on your cash. Do this by checking your monetize with ads option which can be found on the upload screen by the going to your video manager and doing it there after the in fact. Once your account is ready to monetize, you will also want to go Google AdSense website and create any account there. In order to do this, you need to be 18 years of age and have either a PayPal account, your bank account to get paid. So keep their permature in the mind, wasting your time by finding your out don't have what you need. Some ads you cost per click, CPC, which means that you advertise pay or their ads click on there. Other ads are cost per view, CPV, which require that you reboot watch late half of the ads or 30-second worth whichever some fast. For roll ads or these ones that play period to your video will can also appear at the bottom of your video screen. Call it in the search ad or no side of it in display ads. Each ones are their one advantage so it is really up to your watch once you want to use. You may even decide to try to couple of them and see which the know are best your views change them around see if it make different for your income. Step number 6, monetize your YouTube channel with affiliate marketing. Remember how the section of the affiliate marketing said that you can make money on any internet site. Well, YouTube is one of them, allowing you to direct your target market to the product and service that you feel will benefit them most by putting link on your YouTube page, making you money by selling other people goods. Again, you want to choose affiliate that you would appeal to your target audience. So choose the product and service most appropriate for your consumer so that you can make the most money possible. You can also sell your one product and service on YouTube or earning 100% of the income, which is always a good thing. Step number 7. Check your start with information obviously. YouTube provide you with analysis as to the video which check them and see which ones doing the best. Also pay attention to which video or topic aren't generating which buzz as the equal as important to know. The second part of the step involves using the information wisely. This means making change to your strategy if something isn't working, but is also required that you make more video like one that you're doing the best, capturing the most attention. Step number C. Optional apply for a YouTube partners. This particular step is only available to your after YouTube channel has met certainly criteria. We apply for a partnership because you have more content creation tools at your display and you can possibly win prize based on the success of your channel. Either way, it is a good for you. Earning potential. It is important to realize that you want to make money on YouTube based on the number of followers you have. But one, how many of them engage with your ads and affiliate. Although they definitely related, they are still independent of each other, which means that you need to get your followers involved. It is not enough to just have them watch your video. On way to do this, you talk about your affiliates, ads, and product in your video. Give a call to action that tell your reboot to click on the link. If you don't, you may be wasting a good opportunity to increase your income. So, how much money you can realistically make with YouTube video? According to an article writing by Business Insight, you can earn six figures with the right content. Just like Olga K or DOS, however, it is likely going to cost. On the other hand, you have many examples on 20 YouTube millions like Betlage is a TV who has almost 80 million subscribers and make a fortune for his video. So is it worth it? Only you know answer to that. It possible that you may decided that these options may be best as a side job or you can decide device and end your best to make your start seeing YouTube. Just go for whichever option you feel right at moment. Chapter 3. Blogging. A third way to make money online is by blogging. Blogging is defined as continuously writing about a situation, event or other interest and position posting online other to read. If you can create quite a following with your blog, you can also create a decent income. How to get started? To create a blog that draw major attention and is begin to draw money from it, here is what you need to do. Step 1. Step number 1. Decided what you want to your blog to be about. What topic or topic interests you most or you care you know everything is anything about the cars and trucks on the road today, or do have you insatiable appetite to cooking and want to share your passion with the other who feel the same. Some of the most profitable niches and blog idea teach review blog, beauty and fashion, health and nutrition, how to make money, or even teaching people how to blog. However, it is very important to only blog about thinking that you're genuinely interested in. Otherwise, you want to be able to engage other people in topic. If you have no interest, it is self you once you have a list list of option, pick a topic and tailor down to specifically as you can to better you resonate your target market. For instance, if you enjoy cooking, what your style speak to your most? Are you fans to a table chef or do you like making traditional food with a modern fare? The more specific you can make topic, the easy to it will be reach the people intent the real. To look inspiration with this, check out related blog that other are writing. This may help you in come up idea for your one in additional to helping you see what part of their blog you like and which ones you don't, making your blog easy for you to create, which is the next step. Step number 2, create your blog. If you already have a blog in page place, you are one step ahead of the game. If not, then you need to create one. You can do this by putting a blog page on your one website or joining up for exciting platform, big platform such as a big press that is easy to use them. They make setting up your blog on the scenes. Your number one priority is to come up with domain name that is suit or ads is easy for your followers to remember and recognize. Something short in the catch will often do takes the fact check who after weight loss support or dumb little men who provide tip about life. Also, don't try get too close to well no trademark name in the attempt to get more followers or you could run into problem. If you are setting up your blog on self-hosting website such as a Hosteg or Blueshot or Dreamshot or almost all which have package or less than $100 per month, $10 per month. Remember that you come often work best. That is what most people are used to. At this point, net is become more universal as well. So, what is the option you may want to consider? You also want to create a page that is pleasing to your target marketing and consistency with your brand. Choose and color and graphic that your representative of your style and topic, making it easy for your potential client base to tell who and what you're about at a glance. Number 3, start posting. The key to effective blogging is to the create article that your target marketing would want to read the content keywords so you're easy to find. This involving creating a little title that draw terms and writing a blog and engage interest is entertaining and benefit them in some way, while still making sure each part of your blog has the keyword where they need to be. Also, always format your article to look applying and that be easier to read. You can either write on your one or hire the ghostwriting to write them for you. If you choose ghostwrite once, a great platform hire firm is else. Each freelance write is rate based on their past performance with the previous client, allowing you to pick the one that is best for you after reviewing their profile and job proposal on your specific project. Don't be afraid to post video or picture on your blog either. People people resonate the different type of marital so mix your blog up to suit most every type of read or view and you will have a larger impact as well as the larger following. One very important thing to remember is to post regular. Get your reader used to raise since you name so they feel like your trusted friend and make them look forward to your post as you as if you like part of their everyday life. Some people choose to post in a specific schedule like every Saturday morning at 8 a.m. However, other post randomly and only when they have something to say. Find what your best, you stick to it. I recommend that in the beginning you post as much possible without sacrificing quality of source. Aim at 2 minus 3 time with big in order to build your larger following on your blog. Step number 4. Build your following by promoting your blog. Once you have some post on your blog, now is a good time to promote it to build your following. First and foremost, you want to add the right keyword to your blog and the post it contain the so target marketing can easily find your when they do a search. Second, you want to engage them to follow your blog by offering a fair download open, seeing the building your followers quicker and more effectively. Put a subscriber button on it is so they can easily sign up to receive your post as you make them. I recommend using a Weber.com or Mailchimp.com for this purpose. Ask them to share with their family and friends who can they subscribe as well. Step number 5. Monetize your blog. Implementing what you have already learning about making money online in chapter 1. Your blog is great place of affiliate marketing and CPS cost per click. Networking like Google AdSense both are these options and draw in some good money if you have huge following on your blog. CPM network will also pay you for reaching on a review. The rate is measuring per thousand, so the more followers you have, the more money you started money. Some option. If this is a route you choose to make and click media to fraud media and site score. Additionally, you can sell your one product and service on your blog too and monetize it that way. If you're a freelance writer, for instance, you can offer your followers content package for their business, such as their web page, emails, or their blogs. Or if you are an emotional speaker, you can offer you talk to organization and group to inspire them to reach higher level and achieve higher goals. You could also create your own ebook which will have you go over chapter 8 of this book and sell or your blog or some residual income and could really up the over time. Be creative with monetize your blog and think of endless possibility when it comes to making money on it. Step number 6. Promote your blog. Promote your blog on other platforms such as your web page, social media account like Facebook and Twitter, YouTube, extras to draw other to it. Follows and post to other people blog inspiring the curiosity to go to your blog and check out what is the about. Since you already have content on your blog, posting the same content as the video on your YouTube is an easy way to reach more people and invite them to your blog. And also a lot of people this day prefer to watch video rather than reading articles. Another option is to allow guest posting on your blog, making other to want to be a part of it. This also help them share your blog as well as a benefit them to get their name out while getting yours out of them same time. Join LinkedIn group about your blogging and any other blogging group you can find. When people ask questions within this group about your topic, write a blog about it, refer them to it. It's a great way to stable your expert in the field, making them more likely to buy the product and service you recommend. Earning potential. Here is the big question: how much you can you earn by blogging? Well, depending on how big you grow your blog and how you choose to monetize it, you make over $2 million per month. Like the Huffington Post, your main income is to pay your click ads, or you could make a lot of less. Such expert photography would draw in the regular $5,000 per month by affiliate sales. Some blogs don't make anything because they don't encourage the reader to make want to take action. Remember that while you are having the bit out for a blog, you are not going to make any money with it. Is you don't ask your reader to buy your product, purchase your affiliate product, or click on the ads. Find what works best for you. Right, connected with your most target market, and you are on your creating blog bringing income in month then some people make in year. Who knows? Your blog may just the next one to go viral, earning you your great annual income that will give you a niche comfy life long into retirement. Chapter 4: Fiverr. Fiverr is a website that allow you to sell your talent or any income. For instance, are you a creative writer, CEO, guru design artist, website creator, or do you have talent as a voice-over artist? Then you can make money as a seller on Fiverr by providing your unique and talent-driving service people to business whoever need to them. How to get started? To make money on Fiverr, just take this step. Step 1: decided what you want to sell. What product or service can you offer other relative quickly and for a low starting amount? Think $5 per big. Ideally, want to come up with something unique so that you have less competitor, but any skill that you have can easily to sold Fiverr. There are a lot of buyer available. Step 6: sign up your account. You can create a Fiverr account using your email address, Google Plus account, Facebook, and to sign in. You just have to confirm it and then you good. Oh. Step number 3: set up your profile. Once your account is created, you want to set up your profile, which means uploading a picture and telling Fiverr and little but about who are you. The consistency them across the platform seem to be that less is better. So you are going to want to be as clear and conscious in order to fit all of your content in. Be state and point you are going to be quote Scott shot. Also make sure that you see a professional looking photo for your profile picture or your logo. You want to scare about potential buyer. Step number 4: verify your idea. But before you start creating your first big gig, make sure that idea is worth it. Go on Fiverr and search for similar gig. Make sure that is the demand for a similar service like yours. Type your keyword and see if you can find at least in Thai gigs that have more 500 views and more than 10 order in a quick. If you find them, then good things mean that your idea is high demand and you make real money with it. Now let's proceed with creating your own gig. Step number 5: creating a gig. Click on the starting selling under your profile and creating a gig, which is in a other name of service or product you want to sell. We will break the step into similar steps that need to be taken in order to build a best selling gig. So let's start with your gig's title. You only 80 character your big title so them whistle. Fiverr even tell you that short title is sell more. So heed their advice. Also, it is very important that your title clear describe what you often don't use confuse title because they will bring you lot of angry buyers. Next, want to have very appealing competitive gig samples. Again, make sure to take a look around Fiverr in order to see how people represent their gigs. Use this of inspiration and also or reference how good big sock look. If you can make it look better and more appealing of the to other gigs are already available, then great. If you are not a graphic designer, consider hiring one of Fiverr who can create your cool image to represent your big. After you done with your simply, we should continue with the gig description. Make you sure that you use the formatting option that Fiverr offers so it can be easy to read in the high right and the key point. Explain your service in details, what you offer for $5 and what you offer as an extra. Look at the description as a content with the client is define your service. Next is it is recommended that you upload a video. Gigs that's have the video tend your gain popular more easily because they get better placement in the search result when they are publisher. You can simply record yourself explain your service. Also don't forget to mention the face. The gig is exclusively in the fiverr.com and make sure that your video look professional and you don't have your beat in the background or something embarrassing. Step number Step number 6. Promote your big gig. Fiverr make these steps super easy as well as once you have all of information they are requesting. You can publish your gig by social media button before even leaving the page. They have ones for Facebook, Twitter, Google, LinkedIn or via emails. All you have to do is click you the ones you want to. They will tell you rest of the world or your followers anywhere about your brand new service offering. Also make sure to optimize the keyword for your gig. It is better that you match the title of your gig because they will have great impact. Just like I recommended in the YouTube section, use the Google keyword planner to determine the best keyword for your gig. 7. Provide great customer service because Fiverr allow the buyer to rate your you're going to want to be too professional them so that you get to higher source of the source. You can always because everyone but the hyper your client your overall the more work you will get the more money you will make. There are golden rules to Fiverr long-term success just over delivery. Make sure that you surpass your buyer expectation. You can do so by applying simple trick. For example, if you are right and you want to offer to write article, the usually word content for $5 is between 300 minus 500 words. If you are okay writing 500 words of the $5, you can offering the big 400 word for $5, but always delivery round 500. This way to client will be very pleased with your service and will come back. Sometimes we will be meet some bad buyers, so of course then you have to put your long term interest over the above your short term loss. They will be more demanding on play pays less Let be by client to your professional and respectful focus on your good client instant. Also never try to place a bad client because you don't want to bad returning client. Step number 8, learn from other fiber sales. One of the best way to learn is to mirror what the other are in fiber seems to working of the Dino appear to one of the top sellers, so might want to check him to see what he can teach you about what it takes to be a top seller like him. Out at $5 per gig, be on the site at least 30 days and completely minimum of 10 order in order starting making real money on Fiverr. But if you are fast at what to do, you can earn a decent amount of spending cash of the particular site as long as you are comfortable working on a number of different projects in order to do so. Some Fiverr members have reported earning hundred of dollars a day, which is possible as long as you get a lot of gigs as a top seller or you able to sell ads on. I make round $2,000 a month for Fiverr with your about 5 hours a month. This requires quite a time commitment achieved to, but it's possible if you are good and whatever it is you're selling and you can get a lot of buyer to want to your service. Chapter 5, selling physically product online. Another way to earn money online is by selling physically product on sites like Amazon and eBay. While you may not earn enough to make a living selling your one personal item, unless you are able to acquire a lot of goods at low cost and can turn them around quickly, you also help others sell their things, thereby earning yourself a niche title commission in the process. How to get started? How to get started selling? Here are a few simple steps. Step number 1, find a product to sell. Your first step to making the internet option working is finding a product to sell. Fortunately, there are several ways to go about it. For instance, you can start by taking a look around your house and seeing what you have no longer want to need is selling your unwanted or unused item is a great way to get them out of your house without just sending them to the others. The key to making lot of money is to make sure the steel is no good, if not excellent condition. That's being said, some people do sell broken things online as other may be buying them with the internet of fixing them and offering them for sale. So, in sense, actions nothing is offer limit. Once one junk is another means thresher. As long as you're honest of and marketing accordingly. A second option is to frequently add graveyard sales and sort of meets field market and it say helps. As something you can find great deal or you can resell online. Whether the time the purchased is in the great condition already, you have what it takes to refine it. You can make lot of money off other people no longer wanted goods. If you can find a really good deal at a retail or even wholesaler store, you can also buy direct from them and resell them item in the higher price. Liquidation, even going to of business sales and discontinue item are great for this purpose. Just be aware that buying item with the sole process resale may require that you pay tax of them on them. So you may want to consent with the accountant before talking the route. Good thinking consider sell or this apply to niche market. Hobbyists like to find unique things or making the ones or you can do really well in. Still not sure that to sell. eBay has a selling inspiration house that you can help you. Find top selling item in your home. Just pick a room, select an item and it will tell you how much they are currently going for sale online. Tip number 2. Pick a platform and create an account. Not now how that you have something to sell. It is time to decide where it is you want to sell it. Two of the most notable sites are Amazon and eBay. However, you can also list your item on correct Craigslist Beast for bigger item like cars and furniture. Be sure to read each the careful so you know upfront what is required of your seller and how much commission they will take in on sales. Some charge you to subscription free as well. You are going to want to check all of this put prior to sign up. Whichever ones you choose, you are going to have create an account in order to list and get paid. So pick the one or ones that is the best suited for your item you want to get rid of. The provide all this requested information to create a complete account. In order to get money from you are also going to have provide the payment information to keep your bank information private. You can always create a PayPal account and accept payment that way. PayPal does charge free well, so may have to wait that into the cost and whether or not it is worth it given that you are selling. A great book figure out this site prefer is to buy something from it before even placing your good for sale. This way to get first-hand knowledge of it work from the buyer perspective, allowing you to take them into consideration when they come to selling your good online. Step number 3. Prepare your list of optional result. To get good result on your listing, you want to include both the benefit and the features of your product. For example, future of a TV include screen size, resolution, and things like that. Where whereas benefit are being able to see the television clear is having to flat screen that doesn't take up too much room and being able to see your favorite sports and clothes almost as you if you are then in person. Your product description need to be completed as well. The more information you provide about what is the your selling, that easier it will be for people to determine if that is the what they are looking for. Think like buyer and include everything you would want to know if you are making purchase yourself. It helps to be familiar with jargon that is often used a popular selling site. For example, BN standard for brand new and vintage means ben Bentag. STP of a represented hard to find item and BGC tells a buyer it is in very good condition. If something unique for distance about your product, point it out. The more you can make your product one of kind, the greater your change of selling it. Use keyword in your listing in your product can be easy found by anyone searching for it. Not sure which ones to use. Consider what word you would use to search for the item and just use them. Include the brand if it likely to make a difference. Your product picture. The more of better need to the high quality. If they for fugitive or too far away, you're not doing to give prospective buyer as a good feeling. Also make sure that Surrounding environment is good because people like to buy for other appear to take care of their thing. If your stock on any these things lock up or other people listing and using them template to write yours. Just be sure to choose top seller so that you know how to create and that sells, not be that doesn't get noticed. Step number 4. Set your price as a fair as price is consider concerned the may take a little a bit research. Google the time of the selling or see other are getting for it. Before pricing your throw, you will want to take consideration its conditions. Depending on the site in depending on site on your unit user can sell your item very traditional or auction by the set price. Addition means that you sell you can hire bigger you may want to minimize price so want to give it back. And set price means that you sell it may anyone that wanted the price which you are selling it. If you have bunch of smaller item and don't want to price them you individually sell. You may want to group them together and sales them package. This may also entice a buyer as they will getting several thing of a standard rate. An additional tips for successful seller offer free shipping as it catches people attention. It is easy enough to you just have to add this amount of your base price. This one caveat is that shipping isn't always going to be same price as it location dependent as you're going to want to keep in mind if you choose to take this route. Step number 5. List your product on Amazon or eBay. When you decide to list your product, you will want to time your listing so you get the most out of it. For example, if you only have a 10 days window, you may want to post your product on a Thursday so that it appear online for 2 full week and giving you more bargain for your buck. Another factor to consider is whether your item is seasonal or in seasonal high demand during certain time of the year. If this is the case, you may want to wait to sell it, drawing in the most money possible. Step number 6. Promote your product. Share your product on your social media site, website in forums or your other internet site you can think for draw attention to it. You never know, even if the people you are reaching out to have to interest in it. They might know someone who does sharing it with them. It is a win-win. Step number 7. Make the deal. Once you have a specific buyer, you are ready to close the deal. This is a great time to confirm things such as price and delivery as well as answer any question they may have. This is also where you collect payment. It is very important that you do the period to shipping your item so that you don't end spending with your neighbor getting the money in return. Step number 8. Deliver your product. You want to make sure your item arrive in the same condition it left you in. So you are going to want to pick it well. Do this by putting in extra padding to avoid unintentional package of damage by the shipping company. You can even go one step further and take picture of your item as it being packaged as well as the finished box to show what condition it was when it left you. Then ship it according to site requirement being sure to get a tracking number and ensuring if you want to be extra safe of them you worth lot of money. Having your buyer sign up the ensure that he is received it and it protect your firm's scam who instant that is never arrived. Step number 9, grow your product based business. In order to survive long term and grow in site like eBay, you need to get good feedback from your people that you sell to. Keep this in mind as every interaction you have to with a customer has the potential to promote your business, you break it. Staying in good contact with them step of the way will help a stable good buyer seller relationship. Check your email often and don't list things while you are going to be away for an extended period of time as it could look and your as your user. Conclusion: making money online is possible and you have the value option with the which choose. Try them all and see which suite you have live you your desired outcome best. This can be your hobby which can provide income capable of supporting you and your family lives easy, such as mobile apps and SEO. But none of them will work unless you put the time and effort into that they require. There is no such thing as easy money. There is only become more efficient of effective so that it came to faster and with less effort. Hopefully, now it will. Now get there is make more, some money, nothing more than you internet connection.